Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to GMT Institute channel. In today's session, I am presenting the Business Studies chapter, Principle of Management, Part 3. Hope you enjoy. Please watch till end. Before starting techniques and scientific principle, we will study about the background and the history of Taylor. So, the full name of Taylor was Frederick Willow Taylor. His birth was in the year of 1856 and died in the year of 1915. He was graduated from Civil Mechanical Engineering from Institute of Technology in 1853. He became machinist in the year of 1874, executive at Midwest Steel Company in 1898, which later became Bethlehem Steel Company. He was professor of Tuck School of Business, which was founded in the year of 1900. He was become a president of American Society of Mechanical Engineering from the year of 1906 to 1907. He written Principle of Management series of articles, which was published in the American magazine during March to May in 1911. Later, published in the book Foreign. Firstly, considered plain and reinforced in 1906, Notes on Betting in 1893, On the Art of Cutting Metals in December 1906, A Peace Rate System in June 1895. The Marketing of Putting Green, a series of articles published in 1915. And lastly, Not for the Genius but for the Average Men, published in the American magazine in March 1918. He writes 4 scientific principles of management and also 7 techniques of principle of management. Scientific management by Taylor. He also recognized as father of scientific management and also known as creator of new science. After a background and history of Taylor, we will study about the techniques written by Taylor. There are 7 techniques written by Taylor. So our first technique of scientific principle by Taylor is differentiation piece weight system. Under this system, different wages are paid to efficient and inefficient employees. Secondly, employees who perform better are paid higher wages than employees who perform below the standard target. Thirdly, this motivates employees to become efficient and earn more. Lastly, Taylor introduced this system to differentiate efficient workers from inefficient ones and reward them accordingly. Our second technique of scientific principle by Taylor is fatigue study. Under this principle, fatigue study determines break or interval which are required during work. It is natural that if a worker works continuously, then fatigue study set in. This led to the reduction in efficiency. Every worker requires regular tests or breaks. According to Taylor, standard break timing must be provided to workers for improving performance. Our third technique of scientific principle by Taylor is motion study. As the name suggests, motion study refers to the study of motion, means movement, involved while undertaking a task. These techniques aim at removing the unwanted action, motion, so that the work can be completed in a lesser time. Taylor, along with his associate Frank Gilbert, observed by the motion of workers and categorized them as a productive, incidental, and unproductive. They demonstrated that by eliminating the unproductive movement, productivity can be increased. For example, in bricklaying, they demonstrated that productivity increased by nearly 4 times by reducing the motion from 18 to 5. Objective is to unproductive movement are to be eliminated. Our fourth technique of scientific principle by Taylor is method study. Method study is a systematic method of analyzing the method of doing a job, including human movement involved in it. So it is the process of analyzing this method involved in workflow to increase productivity. It deals with doing the work in better way with less time and effort. That is why it is also termed as simplification. The objective of method study as a technique of scientific management is to find out the best way of completing the job with a view to minimize the production cost and maximize the quality and the customer satisfaction, which is most important. Our fifth technique of scientific principle by Taylor is functional foremanship. Functional foremanship is a factory management techniques that advocates for having multiple foremen in different specialized roles. Traditionally, factories had just one foreman, was the only direct contact for factory workers. Frederick Willow Taylor, the famous engineer who revolutionized scientific management around the end of the 19th century, found a major flaw in this system when he listed all the qualities a successful foreman would need. He realized that no one person could possibly have every single one. Thus, the concept of functional foremanship was born. A sixth technique of scientific principle by Taylor is time study. In time study, Taylor emphasized on setting a standard time limit for completing any particular job. This study basically aims at deciding the number of workers to be employed for the task, determining their wages, etc. Our seventh and the last technique of scientific principle by Taylor is standardization and simplification of work. Standardization refers to the process of setting standard of every industrial activity to maximize output. Scientific management calls for standardization of methods, processes, product, machinery, raw material, etc. The objective of standardization are to reduce given line of product to fixed typical type, size and characteristics, to establish standard of excellence and quality in material, to establish standard of performance of workers and machines. In simplification of involves elimination of unnecessary diversification of product related to size and varieties, as more varieties mean high inventory and higher labor costs, etc. By simplification the task, there will be economy in use of machine, labor, inventory maintenance, etc. It will also help in improving the product quality and reduction of cost. The management must carry out work study to standardize and simplify work in order to increase efficiency. For standardizing the work study can be done through techniques like method study, motion study, time study and fatigue study. So guys, it's time to learn in trick of technique or scientific principle by Taylor. and its slogan is My Sister Flew from Mumbai to Delhi. Here, My is for method study, Sister is for standardization and simplification, Flew is for fatigue study, From is for functional foremanship, Mumbai is for motion study, 2 is for time study, and the last Delhi is for differential piece weight system. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you love this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. For further suggestion, query and doubts, you can email or at institutegmt00@gmail.com. And it's a humble request to all watching this video to share this channel as much as you can, because there are many students in our country who can't afford to take expensive coachings. Your one can share can make their future. So do this for good karma. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Till that, stay home, stay at safe.